Namaskar students and welcome. In this video, we are going to see the question answers of 8th Science lesson number 12 Introduction to Acid and Base. So let's begin. First question, identify the following solutions whether they are acid or base. So here red ones are already given to you in the textbook children and the black ones are your answers. These can be the examples of a few acids and bases. They can be probable acids or bases. So here in the first one, it is given that there is no change in the solution with phenolphthalein indicator. Phenolphthalein indicator generally shows no change in acids. So this one is probably going to be an acid. So if it is an acid, then it will show a red color in methyl orange and blue litmus will turn into red because it is acid. In the second one, it is given that the orange color turns red. When the orange color is turning red with methyl orange, it is definitely an acid. So when it is an acid, it will not show any change with phenolphthalein. And with litmus paper, it will show a red color. Either the blue litmus will change to red or the red litmus will show the same color. So most probably it can be hydrochloric acid. This one can be sulfuric acid. In this one, red litmus turns to blue. When the red litmus is turning to blue, it is definitely a base. So most probably it can be sodium hydroxide or any other base. If it is a base, with phenolphthalein, it is going to show a pink color. And with methyl orange, it will show a yellow color. So this one is a base. Question 2. Write chemical names from given formulae. H2SO4. It is sulfuric acid. CaOH twice is calcium hydroxide. HCl is hydrochloric acid. NaOH is sodium hydroxide. KOH is potassium hydroxide. NH4OH is ammonium hydroxide. Question 3. Sulfuric acid has highest importance in chemical industry. Why? So let's see the answer now. Sulfuric acid is used majorly in all chemical industries. So where is it used? Let us see. Sulfuric acid is used in manufacturing fertilizers. Sulfuric acid is used in manufacturing medicinal drugs, the medicines which we are using. Sulfuric acid is used in explosives, the ones which we are using during Diwali. Sulfuric acid is used in car batteries. Sulfuric acid is used in making jet fuel, kerosene and leather. Sulfuric acid is used in manufacturing paints, colors and dyes. That is why sulfuric acid has highest importance in chemical industry. Question 4. Which acid is used for getting chloride salts? Chloride salt means the salt which will contain chlorine. So we can get chloride salts only when one of the constituents is chlorine. So children, how do we generally get a salt? When acid and base react together, they form salt and water. This is neutralization reaction. To get chloride salt, we must use an acid which contains chlorine as one of its constituents. So we will use HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, because this contains Cl, chlorine. So see the reaction children, HCl which is hydrochloric acid plus NaOH, sodium hydroxide, gives sodium chloride, NaCl, this Na and this Cl combined together. OH and H, they form water. So acid plus base gives salt and water. This is neutralization reaction. Question 4b. By squeezing lemon on a piece of rock, the gas liberated turns lime water milky. Which compound is present in the rock? The rock contains carbonate compound. Children, when the lime water is turning milky, it means carbon dioxide gas is liberated. That is why The one which is giving out carbon dioxide is definitely a carbonate compound because that will only contain carbon and oxygen. This carbonate reacts with citric acid, because lemon contains citric acid present in lemon and liberates carbon dioxide, which is a gas. The carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. So the compound present in the rock is carbonate. Give answers. C. The label on the bottle of chemical is spoiled. How will you find whether the chemical is acidic or basic? So children, if you want to find out whether the given chemical is acid or not, we will use any indicator to identify whether the chemical is acid or base. There are so many indicators, children. We are seeing just 3 indicators here. Litmus test, we can check it with the litmus paper. If the litmus turns red, it is acid. If it turns blue, it is base. Another indicator which we can use is phenolphthalein. If phenolphthalein is colorless, it is acid. If it shows pink color, it is base. Methyl orange, if it shows red color, it is acid. If it shows yellow color, it is base. So with the help of indicators, children, we can find out whether the chemical is acid or not. Question 5. Answer the following questions. Explain the difference between acid and base. Acids have sour taste. Bases have bitter taste. Acids turn litmus paper red. Bases turn litmus paper blue. Acids contain hydrogen ion, which is H plus ion. Bases contain OH minus ions, which means hydroxide ions. Why indicator does not get affected by salt? An indicator shows different colors only with acids and bases. But salts are neutral in nature. They are neither acidic nor basic. So they are not affected by indicators and do not show any color change. Indicators are showing different colors only with acids and bases. C. Which substances are produced by neutralization process? Answer. When acid and base react together, they form salt and water. This is neutralization reaction. Example is given here. HCl, which is hydrochloric acid, plus sodium hydroxide, which is a base, gives sodium chloride, which is a salt, and water. Acid plus base gives salt and water. Next one. Which are the industrial uses of acids? Acids are used majorly in all chemical industries. They are used in manufacturing fertilizers. They are used in manufacturing medicinal drugs. The medicines which we are using, it's almost the same answer, children, which I gave before. They are used in explosives, which we use in Diwali crackers. They are used in car batteries. They are used in making jet fuel, kerosene and leather. They are used in manufacturing paints, colors and dyes. Question 6. Select proper word given in bracket and fill in the blanks. Main constituent of acid is H plus hydrogen ion. Main constituent of base is OH minus hydroxide ion. Tartaric acid is a weak natural acid. You can just write weak acid also. That's fine. Match the pairs. I've already written the correct answers here, children. Tamarind contains tartaric acid. Curd contains lactic acid. Lemon contains citric acid. And vinegar contains acetic acid. Next question. State true or false. Oxides of metals are acidic in nature. False. Oxides of metals are basic in nature. Next one. Table salt is acidic. False. Table salt is neutral. It is not acidic, not basic. Metal corrodes due to salts. False. Acids and bases corrode metals. Metals are corroding because of acids and bases, not because of salts. Next one, salts are neutral. True. Last question, children. Classify the following substances into acidic, basic, and neutral group. So I've already classified them as acidic, basic, and neutral, children. So let's see the answers. HCl, hydrochloric acid. H2SO4, sulfuric acid. HNO3, nitric acid. So these are three main acids we use in chemical industries and laboratories, children. They are the strong acids. Basic now, MgO, magnesium oxide, CaO, calcium oxide, Na2CO3, washing soda, children, the one which we are using for washing clothes. These are basic in nature. These ones are metal oxides, and metal oxides are basic in nature. Neutral ones, sodium chloride. This is our normal table salt, common salt which we use in our kitchen. Potassium chloride, KCl, H2O is water. We know this. So children, here we complete with the question answers of this lesson. I hope that you all have understood all these question answers. Thank you for watching till the end.